If you've ever had to step out of your car just to open a driveway gate, especially in bad weather or late at night, you already know how convenient the right automatic gate opener can be. The problem is that not all gate openers work the same way. Some are built for heavy sliding gates, while others are better for smaller swing gates or solar-powered setups. That's why we put together this list of the 6 best automatic gate openers, each one standing out for a different type of gate, property size, and installation setup. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these automatic gate openers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 6 is the GC Ghost Controls Gate Opener. This is the best single gate opener on our list. Right away, what makes this model perfect for the category is how well it's designed specifically for single swing driveway gates. You can install it on gates up to 20 feet long or up to 900 pounds. That covers a wide range of residential gates. So if you have a decorative chain link, tube, plantation, or wood gate, this opener fits right in. The solar-powered design makes daily operation very convenient. The system includes a 10-watt solar panel, which means you can power the opener without running electrical wiring across your property. That's a big advantage for driveways that are far from the house. And if you want stronger solar charging, you can expand the setup with up to 30 watts of solar. Next, the remote range also stands out. You can control the gate from up to 1,000 feet away. That gives you plenty of distance to open the gate before reaching the driveway. And since the kit includes a 3-button remote with a visor clip, you can keep the control easily accessible inside your vehicle. Plus, installation also stays very manageable. You can set up the opener using common tools, and you won't need welding or high-voltage wiring. The kit includes tube gate brackets and mounting hardware, which helps make the process smoother. Another nice detail is the smart compatibility. The system works with third-party devices that allow smartphone control through an optional app, so you can expand the system later if you want smart gate access. And here's what Cherie says: best money ever spent, works great, and even worked well in very frigid weather. Very happy with this purchase. So if you want a dependable opener built specifically for single driveway gates, this one's an excellent choice. Number 5 is the GatExpert Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This is the most capacity gate opener on our list. What really earns it that spot is the sheer capacity. This opener is built to handle sliding gates up to 1,800 pounds and 40 feet long, which is a lot of gate. So if your driveway has a wide entrance or a heavier sliding setup, this system has the strength to move it without struggling. Once it's up and running, the 110-volt AC motor keeps things moving smoothly. It works with a chain-driven system, so the gate slides in a steady, controlled way instead of jerking or slowing down. That consistent movement matters even more with heavier gates, and you'll feel the difference in daily use. Plus, safety is also built into the system. There's an infrared photocell sensor that watches the gate path while it's closing. If something crosses that beam, the gate immediately stops and opens back up. That quick response helps protect vehicles, people, and anything else near the gate. And everyday use is pretty simple too. The remotes come already programmed, so you can start using them right away. The system can also support up to 25 remote controls, which works well if several people need access to the property. You can also choose how quickly the gate closes after opening. The auto close timer can be set to 12 seconds, 24 seconds, or 36 seconds, depending on how you want the driveway secured. So if you need an opener that can handle large, heavy sliding gates without hesitation, this one brings the capacity to do it. Number 4 is the Ghost Controls T DS2 XP. This is the best solar gate opener on our list. Right away, what earns this system the category is its strong solar-powered setup designed specifically for dual swing gates. The opener can handle gates up to 900 pounds or 12 feet per gate, giving you a maximum opening span of 24 feet. That makes it a great fit for wider residential driveways with double gates. Then, of course, the solar power system is one of the biggest advantages here. The kit includes a 10-watt monocrystalline solar panel, which allows the gate opener to run without traditional electrical wiring. That's extremely helpful for rural properties or long driveways where running power lines would be difficult. And if you want stronger solar charging, you can expand the system with up to 30 watts of solar. Next, the kit itself comes very well equipped. You get 2 gate opener arms, a control box with a control panel, 2 remote transmitters, tube gate brackets, mounting hardware, and a battery harness. Because of that, everything you need for the installation is already organized in one package. Another highlight is the remote performance. Just like other ghost control systems, the remotes can operate the gate from up to 1,000 feet away. That means you can trigger the gate well before reaching your driveway. And installation also stays very DIY friendly. You can install the system using common tools, and you won't need welding or complicated electrical work. And just like the single gate model, the system also supports smart upgrades. It's compatible with third-party devices that allow smartphone control through an optional app. So if you want a powerful solar-powered system for dual-swing driveway gates, this one's a fantastic option. And if you want to know the latest prices for the automatic gate openers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Topins PW502. This is the best for small gates on our list. What makes this one stand out right away is how well it's designed for smaller and medium-duty dual-swing gates. It runs on 2 stable 24-volt DC 50-watt motors, which give you smooth and reliable movement without feeling overly powerful for lighter gates. The system can operate gates up to 550 pounds or 16 feet per gate leaf. So it works really well for residential driveways, courtyards, ranch entrances, or even small farm properties. Once you start using it, you'll probably notice how quiet the motor is. The opener is designed for very smooth operation, so the gate opens and closes without a lot of noise or sudden movement. That quieter performance makes everyday use feel much more comfortable around the home. And installation is also pretty flexible. You can set it up for pull to open or push to open depending on how your gate and driveway are positioned. That makes it easier to fit the opener into different property layouts without having to change your gate setup. There are also several built-in protection features. The system includes obstacle stop and reverse detection, auto close, and soft start and soft stop. Those features help the gate operate more smoothly and can also help extend the life of the motor. And power options are flexible as well. The opener can run directly on 100 to 240 volts AC power, and it's also compatible with an optional 24-volt battery or solar setup if you want alternative power options. So if you want a quiet and dependable opener that works especially well for smaller dual-swing gates, this one fits the job nicely. Number 2 is the COZ CG1400 sliding gate opener. This is the best value on our list. Right away, what earns it this spot is the amount of performance you get for the value. You're getting a 280-watt electric motor that can move sliding gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet long. That's a lot of capability for a system in this category. So if you have a larger driveway gate or even a light commercial entrance, this opener has the strength to handle it. And once the gate starts moving, you'll notice how steady it feels. The chain-driven system keeps the motion smooth and controlled, and the opener can move the gate at about 42 feet per minute. That means you're not sitting there waiting forever for the gate to open, but it still feels stable and consistent while it moves. And you'll also appreciate the build quality. The system uses solid steel construction, which gives the opener a strong and durable feel. On top of that, the ABS protective cover helps manage heat while the motor runs. And because it uses an all-copper motor, you get reliable performance during everyday use. Convenience is another nice part of the package. You get 2 remote controls, so you can open your gate from nearly 100 feet away without leaving your vehicle. And if multiple people need access, the system can support up to 25 remote controls. And yeah, security is built in as well. The opener uses frequency encryption technology, which helps protect the remote signal and keeps unauthorized users from copying it. And when it comes time to install it, the process stays fairly simple. The kit includes the tools and hardware you need, and you can always expand the system later with accessories like driveway alarms if you want extra functionality. And here's what Steve says. This gate motor is a good quality. I'm impressed on how powerful the motor is, and the remotes came programmed. I can stand well over 2 feet and the gates will open. I'm very pleased with my purchase and would recommend anyone to try it. So if you want strong sliding gate performance at a great overall value, this one delivers excellent bang for the buck. Number 1 is the Mighty Mule MM371W. This is the best overall gate opener on our list. What really puts this one at the top is how well it balances power, convenience, and everyday usability. It's built for single swing gates up to 16 feet long or 550 pounds, which means it fits a lot of common residential setups. So whether you have a chain link gate, a wood gate, or something similar, there's a good chance this system will work nicely for your driveway. And once you have it installed, it's the kind of opener you can rely on day after day. It's designed to handle outdoor conditions ranging from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can keep using it through all kinds of weather without worrying about performance. Another thing you might really like is the Smart Ready capability. If you add the Mighty Mule wireless connectivity kit, you can control and monitor your gate right from your phone. That setup can reach over half a mile, which gives you a lot of flexibility if your driveway sits far from the house. Plus, you also have the option to run it with solar power. Just pair it with the Mighty Mule 10-watt solar panel and you can keep the battery charged without running electrical lines out to the gate. That's especially helpful if your property entrance is a good distance away. Now, safety is also built into the system. It's UL325 certified, and the opener includes audible warning beeps that alert you if something blocks the gate while it's moving. And when you open the box, you're getting a complete setup. The kit includes the 37X series gate opener, a 3-button remote, the control box, and mounting hardware so you can get everything installed. So if you want a gate opener that's dependable, flexible, and easy to live with every day, this one really stands out as the best overall choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect automatic gate opener. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each automatic gate opener. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.